Hello and once again welcome to Fame Ebong TV, and today I'll be showing you how to make the brown canoe soap. You know that popular brown soap? I'll be showing you how to make it today, so just watch. So these are my ingredients I'll be using, and in this video I'll be showing you how to also bleach your palm oil with chemicals, because we have to bleach this palm oil before using it to produce the brown canoe soap. So this is my palm oil. I'm using half a liter of palm oil. I poured it into this container, and these are my bleaching agents. I'll be using sulfonic acid. I'm going to measure 6 ml of sulfonic acid in this syringe. When it gets to 6, I'll stop there. I'm going to pour it into my palm oil. Don't forget, my palm oil is half a liter. I'm using half a liter of palm oil. I'm going to stir it. So you first of all add your sulfonic acid, then you stir. You can see how red the palm oil is. It's very red. So at the end of this video, the palm oil is going to change from red to a bleach palm oil. You all know how a bleach palm oil looks like. You're going to see it in this video. So I'm going to take the next measurement, which is going to be my hydrogen peroxide. These are my bleaching agents, the sulfonic acid and hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to measure 6 ml also and pour it into the palm oil. So you can see how I'm doing it. I want to bleach this palm oil first of all before using it to make my brown canoe soap. So you're going to learn how to make this soap at home. I'm showing you a very simple and easy method on producing the popular brown canoe soap. Most of them are brown, most of them look gold in color, most of them look yellow. So you can call it either a brown canoe soap or a yellow canoe soap or a gold color canoe soap. So this bleaching process might take up to 10 minutes. If you observe, you'll notice that the red color is changing from red to a dark pale color. Just observe what is happening to this palm oil. It's not really looking red like before again. It's looking dark and pale. And this is how a bleached palm oil is supposed to look like. The red color is disappearing. So this could take up to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to test this red oil to see if it has bleached. I'll put a white paper inside. If you observe, the white paper is not red. Instead, it's looking oily. It's not red, to show that this oil has been bleached. So we have succeeded in bleaching our palm oil with chemicals. Now I'm going to take the measurement of the palm oil I need. And here I using 142 grams of palm oil. I've taking a measurement. I've used some of the oil. I didn't use all of it. I measured 142 grams. That's the quantity I need for this soap making. And this is my palm kernel oil. Also, I'm using 142 grams of palm kernel oil. I'm going to mix my palm oil with my palm kernel oil. So I'll blend the two oils together. I'm going to pour them into this container. So you just watch this video to see how I made a brown. Most of them will be yellow, most of them will be gold. And the purpose is for it to have that shiny look and also to be translucent or transparent. That's the aim. That's what we are aiming at. The soap is to have a shiny look and is to look brown, yellow or gold in color, and the soap is supposed to be translucent. That is how the popular brown canoe soap looks like. Most of them are yellow, most of them are gold in color, while most of them are brown, and also they have a shiny look. Then lastly, they are translucent or transparent, so light will be able to pass through the soap. So just watch, follow every step if you want to also make this type of soap. Just follow this step at home if you want to make this type of soap at home. So I'm covering this container with a waterproof because I've added ethanol in this mixture, and ethanol has a way of evaporating. I don't want my ethanol to evaporate because I'm going to put this on a double boiler. I will double boil this mixture. So while I'm going to put it on a double boiling process, I will cover it with a black waterproof so that it doesn't evaporate. Ethanol evaporates in the presence of heat. So I've double boiled it. That's boiled for some minutes, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to add my sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is made with the combination of sugar and water. If you want to produce a sugar syrup, you mix sugar with water and heat it. Once you heat it, the sugar is going to melt in the water, and that is your sugar syrup. I'm going to double boil again for at least 1 minute, then pour it into my soap mold. Now it's time for me to pour my soap into the mold. So while I pour it into the mold, I'm going to use a spraying alcohol to make the top smooth. So that's the spraying alcohol. I will spray it and make the top of the soap smooth. Now what is a spraying alcohol? The spraying alcohol is actually the ethanol or methanol. It can either be an ethanol or methanol or any alcoholic content. You pour it into a spray bottle. So it's not actually a special thing, it's just alcohol poured into a spraying bottle. So that's actually alcohol inside that spraying bottle. I'm going to spray it on top of the top of my soap so that the top will be smooth. I don't want it to look scattered. So you can see the job of the spraying alcohol, you actually smoothen the top. So after some few hours, this soap is going to dry. After 5 hours, my soap is dried, and I'm going to bring it out of the mold. Now I'm going to do a comparison of this my soap with the popular brown canoe soap in the market. So I went to the shop and I got a brown canoe soap. So I'm going to compare it with this my own soap. So you can see the color, almost similar. Why is it a bit different? Because this one is the one I bought at the shop is made with machine. Then this one I made is actually handmade. I made it with my hand, so it won't be as smooth as the ones made with machine. But there's a similarity between the two. You can see this one here, light is passing through it. This brown canoe soap I bought in the shop, light can pass through this soap because it's either translucent or transparent. You can see how it is. Now I'm going to test my own soap also. You can see light can also pass through my own soap. You can see the light shining at the other side. So once this soap dries properly, the light will shine brighter. That brown canoe soap I bought in the market has dried properly. My own, I just made my own soap today, so it has not properly dried. So the more it dries, the more translucent it becomes. So I'm going to test it to see how it foams. So let's see which one foams better. So this is my own brown, let's call it a gold color or a yellow color soap, but it's almost similar to the brown canoe soap. Most of them in the market are brown, like I said before. Most of them are yellow, while most of them are gold. But the main purpose you're looking for, the main thing you're looking for is that the soap should be translucent, that is, light can pass through it. And also, it has a shiny look. Then it's either brown, yellow, or gold. You can see, I've succeeded in making my own brown soap at home. So you can also try this if you want to produce yours. So thank you for watching, and I'll be dropping another video soon this week. See you all.
try and share this video, because a lot of people want to learn how to make this brown soap. You can share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.